Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of No Budget Cinema. Now today I'm taking you into the field, and by field I mean just a different area of my room, to show you how I set up to do a drum cover. So the very first step to get started is to actually learn how to play the song, and I can't do that until I set up my drum kit. Without further ado, let's do this. So yeah, now that everything is all set up, I can start learning the song. So let me do that real quick. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's give this a shot. I've never played this before. So I've gone over the song and I've learnt as much as I could in the time that I had. Now it's time to start setting up my composition. So once I've set up my camera and the composition is all good and I'm happy with that, then I'm going to start decorating the rest of my set. I don't like this big brown cupboard behind me, it looks nasty. So what I want to do is I'm going to stick a black sheet onto that cupboard. I'm going to start making sure that the stuff I don't want in the frame is out and the stuff I want in is in, and it looks nice. Now once I've done that, I'm going to start setting up my lights. I feel like I'm a bit against that wall, so I'm going to try and move the whole drum kit a bit forward and to the middle, and maybe that will give me enough space for everything.
Twerk it, baby girl, shake that booty. Baby girl, shake that booty. Baby girl, shake that booty.
And then I'm going to take some of my guitars as a decoration and put them in that corner by that little ugly white strip sticking out. And I'm going to set up my lights so that everything can be evenly lit up and just create some depth. So I'm going to start with my backlight. Okay, so normally when you've got some terrible equipment and you have a bad camera and you don't have a display and you can't see what the frame looks like, get the focus buddy. So naturally what I want to do is I want to put my key light opposite to my backlight. So I'm going to put it around here somewhere. I'm still trying to figure out which side I'm going to put my key light. So I'm just playing around with ideas. So now what I want to do is I want to just get one more light, or look for a light. Okay, so I'm in luck and I found this torch thing of my dad's. Thank you. It's super bright. I'm almost going blind. So that little light right there is super powerful. So I'm going to use that as my backlight instead, and this weak one as a full light, just to get the drum kit, give the drum kit a little bit of light. A little bit of life. I've got this lamp thing. It's awesome. I'm gonna put it on. Never mind. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna leave it on. I like it, it stays on. So now it's time to sort these mics out. So I usually have a full kit setup, but I found a very specific setup that's quite convenient with just one of these, and I just pop it in the middle of the entire drum kit. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be recording with. I'm trying to figure out if this is going to be a complete disaster or if this is actually going to be kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm on my phone's audio because that guy is obviously busy there. I'm just using the one crappy little mic. I'm going to EQ the drums a little bit afterwards, but not too heavily. I'm just going to put it on top of the song when I'm finished. But now I'm going to do my first take with my wide angle shot right over there and give it a go. I'm going to be doing a couple of different angles. I'm not just going to be putting it in front. I'm going to do a couple of close-ups. I'm going to do some from the side, from the top. But I'm going to start with my wide angle from the front. Okay, take one. Two. Okay, cool. So now I've done a wide angle. Now I'm going to take the camera, I'm going to readjust it, and I'm going to try and get a nice tight shot, sort of close-up face area. I want to do one from the snare through the snare drum. Never mind, I never hit record. Now I gotta do this one again. Now we're gonna do one from the top. No. It's time to get the big guns out. Focus, buddy, I was busy playing. There you go, that is my no-budget drum cover. So it's not hard to do, but it takes a lot of effort. And it's simple things like just moving stuff out the background, cleaning out your area, getting a nice frame, and just using a couple of lights to just make your subject pop out a little more. But the most important thing is to actually go and learn the song. So if you'd like to watch this video, check out the link in the description below. That is where I posted the drum cover, and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you like this and want to see more, please do subscribe. But that is that. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the best that I could do with a couple of hours of practicing a song, setting everything up, and just doing something super basic. But thank you so much for coming out into the field with me today. I had a good time and I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next episode.